This question is asking you to classify 2.5 with a bar over it, which means 2.55555555555 repeating. Okay, so you need to understand what each of these whole, integer, rational, and irrational mean. I already told you what irrational means. It means it does not repeat and does not terminate or does not end, goes on forever. Okay? Everything else is rational. Okay? An integer isn't everything else, but it's everything that is negative like this. -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, ... going on. So it's all of those numbers, no fractions like 3/2 or 0.2, no decimals. We're looking at just numbers like that. Whole numbers are just 0 and the positives. Those are whole numbers. Like that. So what you need to do is on a question like this, you need to look at the number they give you and try to decide whether it's a whole number. Well, it's pretty clear that one's not a whole number. Whether it's an integer. And then I always look at irrational first. Because if it's not irrational, then it'll be rational. So you don't need to think about what rational is, although I will tell you it's anything that can be written in the form a over b, with a and b both being positive numbers. But it's easier to just decide whether it's irrational or not. In order to be irrational, it does not repeat and does not end.